this is Dr. Stephen Bracci, Verve Medical Cosmetics. What's the difference between Radiesse and Sculptra? They're two products used differently, but they have overlapping effects. Radiesse acts more like a bony-like matrix that gives instant lifting, good for contouring and support and overall lifting. Sculptra, on the other hand, is more like a seed that induces collagen or induces the collagen growth in an area, so it gradually volumizes and overall gives lifting to an area. Radiesse is composed of this calcium hydroxyapatite particles that are similar to bone, and it does stimulate new tissue growth such as collagen and elastin and blood vessels. So it's more than a biostimulator, it's basically it regenerates new tissue. So it's a great product. It offers both an immediate and long-term effect. So the results are immediate, but they're long-lasting up to a year or longer. Where Sculptra is purely more of a biostimulator. It stimulates your own collagen and has a slow growth of collagen production in the areas where it's treatable. It's suitable for facial volume loss, and its effects can persist for a long period of time, up to several years or longer. Well, for facial treatments, I love Radiesse because it gives that instant results, it gives lifting, it gives volumizations. It's great for contouring the cheekbones, the jawline. I typically use it in the mid-face with my iRise procedure. So it's a great overall filler that's very specific and targets volume loss in various areas in a very precise manner. And it basically provides fullness. Sculptra, on the other hand, targets more of an overall volume in the face, and it's a slow, gradual increase to lift and give fullness. So it's a more overall filler. Radiesse is great for contouring the butt, great for lifting, great for treating cellulite. It's long lasting, again, up to a year or more. Sculptra, on the other hand, is really this deep collagen producer, delivering a slow, steady overall fullness to the buttocks. And it's a great volumizer for the buttocks. It can persist up to several years or even longer. So in general, I want you to think about Radiesse more like a bony-like lifter, giving definition and contouring, where you think of Sculptra as more like a seed that generates and stimulates your own collagen production for more fullness and overall size and volume. I typically use these products to their full potential. I have a lot of experience with this, and interesting enough, it's not uncommon that I combine the two products to get the best. Sometimes the sum of the two products are better than their parts alone. So this is a very important thing to consider. But the main thing for all this is that the expertise and the results truly rely on the hands of the provider.